Welcome to the Gladinet demo video series featuring Cloud-Attached File Server. Gladinet Cloud-Attached File Server allows you to attach the cloud to your existing IT infrastructure without you having to migrate your entire IT infrastructure to a cloud. So you can lower the risk, you can lower the costs, and you don't have to worry about security, performance, and reliability of the cloud. The Cloud-Attached File Server, or CAFS for short, mounts your cloud storage to your existing file server, so now you can support all of your cloud service providers right there on your file server. You can add unlimited on-demand space to your existing file server. You can do it safely using data at rest encryption, or DARE. With CAFS, small and medium-sized businesses can leverage cloud computing software and technology without changing the current IT infrastructure. You'll simply extend your file server capacity without replacing it. Your small to medium-sized business files, folders, and information needs to be safe, but backing it up can be expensive and time-consuming. With CAFS, you can back up your data to cloud storage based on files, folder types, or based on a schedule. Enhancing your file server using tiered storage means that you'll maximize performance on one tier while maximizing cloud storage space on the second tier. This will reduce IT costs and intelligent scheduling. You can also access cloud storage using all of your CIFS and NFS that include Windows, Mac, and Linux. Now let's demonstrate how to publish files and folders and virtual directories to your file server using the Gladinet CloudAFS console. Here to the left, you'll see that we have Cloud Tier 2 storage, Cloud Tier 1 storage, File Server Manager, Settings, and of course, Support. We're going to mount our virtual directories using Cloud Tier 2 storage, and as I do this, I'll explain the difference between Tier 1 and Tier 2. Now, while you can't control which files and folders go on Cloud Tier 1 and Cloud Tier 2 storages, every folder that you mount is going to end up on Cloud Tier 2, and then as you use them, they'll be moved to Cloud Tier 1. So the folders and files that you use most often are going to end up on Cloud Tier 1. Once you click Finish, it'll create the virtual directory in a couple of seconds. And you can name it whatever you'd like. You can specify how you'd like it to appear on your group members' desktops. Now we're given the directory to where our files and folders have been published, and at this point you can add users. You can also change the permission controls for each user. Once you've mounted your virtual directory, you can come over here to File Service Manager and see that your published folders have been published. Now in order to access your published files, you can simply open the Windows Explorer, and in the address bar, type in the location of the documents that was given to you when you mounted. You can also access using command prompt by typing in netuse asterisk and then the location again of those files. And there you are. Now you can also type in the drive that it connected to, in this case drive U, and you can pull up the files. Now if you're integrating CloudAFS using Gladinet Cloud Desktop, you'll also see that underneath the Storage Manager, using the Gladinet Private Cloud control, you can add your Gladinet Cloud-Attached File Server. Once you've made the attachment, you can now access your folders and files using Windows Explorer and the Gladinet Virtual Cloud Drive Z. Thanks for watching the Gladinet demo video series on Cloud-Attached File Server. For more information, please go to gladinet.com.